Welcome back, guys. In this video, we will go ahead creating a new page, forgotpassword.js. Password.js. We will now import useState from React, import useState from React. Then the next line will import use history from React Router DOM. This gives us access to the use history hook. Then we'll import Axios from Axios. This lets us send requests. Then we'll go ahead and create an exported function const forgot password page equals to arrow function. Then open curly braces, new variable const error message, set error message, state variable, equals to use state, give it a default value of an empty string. Next one, create another state variable, const success, comma, is success. Set success equals to use state, give it an empty string, we get a default value of false, then const email value, comma, set email value equals to use state to be an empty string. The next one will be const history equals to use history, call it as a function. And the next line will return success. Conditional statement, return success, open brackets, and give it a class name of content container. Then move to the next one, h1 tag will give it a text of success. Then the next p tag will give you the text, check your email for a reset link. Then else, give it another bracket, the div element class name of content hyphen container. Then we'll come down at h1 element, we'll give it the text of forgot password. Then we'll come below the p tag, enter your email, and will send you a reset link. So we'll now display our error message if it's true. Div element, hit enter. Then we'll give it a class name of content container. Then we'll type in between the div. We'll give it a class name of field, sorry. Then we'll type the error message. That's what I want to display. If there's error message, it should show the error message. Then else, we'll go to our next line, input tag, and give it a value of equals to email value. Then on change will be a function, arrow function, set email value, e to target dot value. That's what the users input to be set here. And placeholder will be johndoe@gmail.com, a demo email address. So the next one, we'll put a button, we'll give it disabled equals to open curly braces. If there's no email value, it should be disabled. Then on click will now be on submit function that we're going to be creating later. Then in between the button, we'll put the tax value, which is send reset password, send the reset link. I format my document. I go ahead below your use history function, const on submit click equals to async arrow function. I will be called when the button is clicked. The try and catch block. Then we start with await axios.put brackets and in backtick /API /forgot password / the email value. Then set success to true. That's if that's successful, you set success to true. Then with next line, you set a timeout for 3 seconds. Arrow function, open curly braces. This is what's gonna happen. History the push it to the login page. Then we'll define the number of seconds outside 3000. If it's error, we'll set error message to error.message. That's the error it should display is the message from the error variable. Then format your document and we'll go to routes and import this newly created component forgot password page. I copy route stem and paste it below. Then I cut my forgot page here and paste it. Yes, I paste it. Then I change the slug to forgot hyphen password. Yes, I save my document, format my entire document, and I click the forgot password button. If I click it, yes, everything is good. If I click it now, it's showing us the forgot password page, button disabled.